Have you tried out cooking red beans? Not always, and black eye beans. If you have not, come over here. Let me show you how to prepare that in a way that you will never forget. Welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead to pick the beans to make sure no trace of sand or stone. Here they call it rote bone and red beans, right? So once I'm picking, you make sure there is no stone or sand in it. Now go ahead to give it a nice wash. Okay, if today is the first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support us. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos, amazing recipes, right? So here I'm going to be using my pressure pot. Yeah, have you tried out cooking your beans, be it black eye beans, be it brown, be it red beans with pressure pots? If you have not, please kindly start because you will never regret it, honestly. Now I added some water, yes, so give it a nice stir, cover and cook until the beans is softened, is soft, yeah, to your taste, right? And this method also saves you time. Over here we have our overripe plantain. Of course, my family, they can't eat beans without plantain, right? Especially my kids. They love plantain a lot. They love it a lot. So they love enjoying their beans, be it black, brown, red, with plantain, right? Go ahead to peel and cut to your desired size, okay? You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real. The plantain is ready. My onions is ready. So let's go ahead to continue our cooking. Over here, I'm going to be using meat stock, yeah, for this amazing recipe. Okay, that's the oil. So I added it into my frying pan or cooking pot. Allow it to heat up, right? Once the oil has heating up, okay, add your little salt, right? Go in with your onions and saute. Please make sure you cook on a medium heat, not too high, not too low, right? Okay, give it a nice stir. Go ahead and stir, 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 stir. At this point, our onions is ready. So I went in with my fresh tomatoes. I know you'll be wondering, what is she doing with fresh tomatoes? Madam Oga, don't worry. Just keep watching. Make sure you watch to the end, right? So this is tin tomatoes. Yeah, tin fresh tomatoes, okay? So I have to put it in my, I have to drain the water out, okay? And go ahead to fry to make sure it is well fried, and once it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top, that means our tomatoes is ready. Make sure you stir, 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 stir. Don't be carried away with internet or phone, okay? So that you don't end up with burnt tomatoes. She dey move soft, fire low, but the hot day hot. Tomato sweet, that pepper right. She dey cook peace. Over here, you can see the tomatoes is well fried. It is done, and go ahead to season it up with any seasonings of choice. Honestly, at this point I added my crayfish. You need to be generous. If you know me and I know you know that I don't play with my crayfish, right? So I added my nor cube. Yeah, today make I mention on a small. Give it a nice stir. Of course, cooking, and you have to be stirring, 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 stirring until everything is well combined, right? Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. And I know add curry powder here. So I want to show you guys the meat stock. Okay, I'm going to be using it so everything is blocked. So I have to, melt it and taste so that I don't oversalt these delicious beans, right? So I went in with my cut plantain because I have to make sure the plantain is well cooked, right? Added little water, give it a nice stir. Okay, if you can see, if you feel like adding more seasoning cubes or salt, just go ahead to do that. Give it a nice stir, cover, and allow to cook until the plantain is well cooked and done to your taste. Some minutes later, oh my goodness, here come the plantain, well cooked. You might not like it this way, but this is how we love it here. So let's get back to our beans. Yeah, the red beans is well cooked. You can see it, very soft. Honestly, try cooking your beans with pressure pots and you will not regret it. Now I'm going ahead to add the cooked plantain. Don't mind that face, don't mind that color, don't mind that face. When I mean don't mind, don't go there, right? Give it a nice stir until everything is well combined. This is how we eat it here. This is how my kids happy. This is how they love it. Now I go in with my sauce, right? Go in with the sauce, okay? Remember, we did not use red oil. Not always red oil. We're gonna try out, recipes, okay? If you love cooking, you'll be trying out new things every day, right? Hope you guys will be trying out this recipe. If you will be doing that, all right, let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, what are you waiting for? Hey, guys, so it is ready now, not yet ready, okay? We have to cover and cook it for another 2 minutes, but everything is well combined, right? Let's wait for the 2 minutes. Of course, 2 minutes later, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Honestly, the beans and plantain is ready. Give it a nice stir, turn off your cooker, and you are good to go. Try this recipe, you will not regret it, especially the kids, honestly. So that is me turning. Yeah, it is time to serve. Serve and enjoy in whichever way you prefer. You can also eat it this way. You can eat it with your bread, Yeah, you can take it with your pap, your gari, or in whichever way you prefer. This tasted so super delicious. Honestly, try it out and you will not regret it. Hope you find this video helpful. See you guys in our next one. And remember, I love you, but don't forget, Jesus loves you the most. Bye.